All right, let's see if I can do this. I'm going to try to take a notes, right? So I've got a podcast coming up, so and/or podcast, and I'm going to hit export. I'll try to export it to my drive. Wait, let me see if I can print. I want to print. So I'm going to turn my printer on. Okay, printer's coming on Wi-Fi, but it's not on the right Wi-Fi network. So I gotta look, okay, I gotta go to Wi-Fi. I gotta pick the same network that the printer's on, which is Yavin 4. I gotta go to Yavin 4. And I don't know that I ever put the password on here for Yavin 4. Okay. We're on Yavin 4. All right, great. And then, yep. So now, go back, hit print, and see if I can do this layout. 1 page per sheet. That's what I want. It's got 9 pages. All right. And let's hit, do I hit print or I hit that? No. I want to hit print. No printer selected. Okay, print. Brother printer. Great. Now I can hit print. Are you kidding me? It's going to be this easy. All right, I don't know if you can hear this through the microphone. Yeah, you probably can. That's printing out my document. Oh, that was like the easiest thing in the world. All right, well, if this helped you, go ahead and smash like, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments, and I'll see if I can answer them. Oh, I love it. First time I ever tried this iPhone notes to my brother printer, and I hope you guys have a great day. See you on the next one.